And I wanted to tell you guys, as one of my therapy thing, my friend, even before I left the hospital, she purchased me, I believe it was before I left the hospital, she purchased me this. You say, gee, what is that? Well, let me tell you what this is. This goes between your fingers like this. Little grips here. And it helped me when I squeeze. You can have a ball too. You know, they have little round balls. You can do that. But I like doing this here because it's soft. Definitely soft. Rubbery thick. That's nice on your hand. This just strengthen your muscles. Strengthen the muscles, yes. And just another little tip. But of course, this nice soft ball will do to get the job done. And I have had that also, nice soft ball. But yeah, I prefer this though. Still got it. Still got it. Now the thing is, I still should be using it. That's what I need to be doing. I need to be using it, and I don't use it like I should. But let me tell you this. This is so funny. This is the word. This is the word. Definitely for me. I don't know about for you, but it's for me. I was thinking, like, okay, God, I believe you're gonna heal me, you know. But just like with anything, it is when we expecting God to move on our behalf. What are we doing in the waiting period? We can't just be doing nothing. In my instance, it's like, I'm like, okay, God, what's the hold up? I know you do things in your own time, and you know, it's like, okay, I got to wait. Okay, but it's like, what are you doing in the waiting process? I'm like, girl, gee, you been doing your exercises like you should be doing it. Moving your feet, doing it. So I'm gonna be doing more of that. I'm gonna be held, I like to be held accountable. So if I say, yeah, if I speak it, and like, oh no, I might fall off the wagon, but I'm gonna get back on it. I'm gonna get back on this wagon. So it's like, okay, what you doing in the meantime? Are you strengthening those muscles like you should? Yes, I work out in the yard, I do little things, but let's be serious. I need to be targeting the area that I need help in, that I need to strengthen. You know, we lift weights, that's fine, but I need to focus on my weakness, and my weakness is my right side. So therefore, your G, G's gonna work on that. G is gonna work on that. Got to work on that. Yeah, it's like my inconsistency. I wouldn't say disobedient, but but inconsistency basically is holding up a miracle. And I have nobody to blame but myself. So my question is holding up what you've been expecting God to do. What are you not doing? Not to help him because he don't need no help, but to let him know you got skin in the game. You're trying to do this thing. And you know, still let him do what he do. But you still got to do what you got to do. And that really makes a difference. Muscles, they're moving. I don't know if you can see that, but you know, the hands strengthen. Sometimes I can't grip as tight, but you see? Yeah, this thing gonna work out. This is gonna work out. I said all of that to say this. Don't give up. Sometimes we got to check ourselves to make sure we're doing what we need to be doing. So you make sure you're doing what you need to be doing. Let's check them boxes. Yeah, everybody check boxes all the time. You know, if you don't get the right box, oh, you know, that's bad on us. But the thing is, let's try to be consistent with what we do. And I need to do it. And I'm not just talking to you, I'm talking to me. You need to be more consistent. Process. It's a process. Just remember, you love. You love. Nobody told you that day. G loves you. G loves you. Yeah. G loves you. Yeah. And you are okay. And you shall get through this. Whatever your situations may be, you're gonna get through it. You're gonna work this thing. We're gonna work this here. If God don't do it, it's not that He can't, because we know that He can. So what is He trying to work? In me or out of me? It's always something. It's always a takeaway. But listen. What lesson is there to learn? Trials and tribulations. What is my takeaway in the meantime, in the middle of it? But nevertheless, I shall continue to give Him the praise. Nevertheless, He's worthy. He is worthy of all the praise. Don't give up. Can't give up. Never too late. Never too late, because I never thought I would do a YouTube thing. So never too late. Yeah, it's definitely. I'm gonna leave this out. Because when it's in the drawers, out of sight, out of mind. I need to look at it. Okay? So we're gonna look at it. We're gonna look at it and remind me, okay? Or also I can put an alarm on. Okay, it's time to do this. And just like we're drinking our water, I'll have the alarm on. Remind me, get that water in. Because I can tell the difference in my skin. Yeah, I'm more plumpier. Like I need to be plump, but yeah. Okay. Well, until next time. And thanks again for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Because like I said before, I don't want to take your time for granted. Because you could be looking at somebody else's channel, which is okay. Get other folks' channel too. Just stop by here. You stop by my channel. And I thank you for it. You take care.